Okay, welcome back. Right, we're on this D. Now I can straight away see there's going to be a better way of splitting this up. I'm going to go to the interactive split tool again. I'm going to put this on here and snap it up to the top, bring it across, press the enter, and we're going to do the same for the bottom. So I'm going to press the Y key again, snap to here, come across to this edge, snap here, press the enter. Now I should be able to get rid of these edges because they're no longer needed, and we will just go edit mesh, delete edge vertexes. So we've got a quad here, quad and a quad, and it's a lot cleaner. Now what we're going to do is select this, and I'm going to do extrude, and I'm going to press the R key. It's slightly different. I'm going to actually bring this in here. So we're cutting in a little bit to the model, but we're going to create that. We're going to create that edge loop without actually having to go around manually. I know it's brought it in a little bit, but it's really not going to make too much difference. Okay, and we can do the same for this as well. So R key, and we're just going to scale this up. R key is a scale key, by the way. So it's scaled up very slightly. Now I'm going to select it all. I'm going to go to modify, center pivot, and I'm just going to bring it in very slightly. I need to just check, so I'm pressing the space bar to get to the front view, pressing the space bar to get here. I just want to check that it is about the same distance as the rest. So we can do with it being a little bit bigger, but not much. Put that on there. That's going to be fine. Bring it back to where it should be. Okay, so by doing this on this flat piece, we've now created our edge loops, which is going to make life easier for us. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a slightly different method. I'm going to select this. I'm going to press Control D on the keyboard, and we're going to move this out to where it will fall on the back. So I'm going to the top view now. I'm pressing the space bar, and I'm just going to put this in line with the other pieces. Okay, that's nice. But remember, there's a back, so I need to inverse this normal. Okay, so they're both the right way round. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select both pieces, and I'm going to combine them, mesh combine. I'm going to select the edge of one and then the edge of the other. I'm going to go to edit mesh, and I'm going to go down to bridge, which is here. Just hit bridge. It will bridge it, and it will put edge loops across it. And if you come across to the attribute editor over here, you'll see poly bridge. Yeah, if you can't find it, make sure that you scroll along until you can find it. And divisions, I just want to put that down to 0, okay, because I want to manually add my own divisions. If you add more, just see I can add more in there. So now I'm going to insert an edge loop, and I'm going to insert it all the way around. So we basically just bridge the two pieces together. I'm now going to go to this inside piece. I need to bridge this together as well. So I'm going to go to the move tool. I'm going to select this, and I'm going to select this other edge by double clicking. I'm going to go to edit mesh, and we're going to go bridge once again, like that. Oh, well, that's not good. Why has that happened? Okay, it's not a problem. If you can't bridge it, you can go to extrude. Okay, and we're just going to extrude this in like this until they meet, kind of, or just overlap. What we need to do then is basically merge these two pieces together. So I'm now going to go to my scale tool, and I'm going to bring these in until they overlap. Okay, now these are not cemented together, so I need to do that. So I need to basically select all of my vertexes, which is what we did last time. Need to go down to merge. I need to put this setting on 0.01 because 0.5 is too much, and these edges will merge together. These vertexes will merge together because they're quite tight. So 0.1, and I'm going to merge. Now this is one piece. I can select this edge, and I can go to edit mesh and go down to delete edge, and this is one piece now. So if you get problems with bridge, you can always get round it by doing an extrude like I did just then. So now the final thing to do is insert some edge loops just around here and around here, and I'm hoping when I press 3, once I've put a few little pieces in here, we should have something that's better. So there we go, we've got no little pull there now. So this is a good test for you. Doing these kind of logos will really get you used to using some of the tools and manipulating all of your edge loops, and this is something that you'll do all the time if you're modeling in Maya, so you'll get quicker at it the more that you do it. Okay, so we're okay now. There are a few bits I'm not happy about. It's like with the beveling is a little bit more curved on there than there. So what to actually fix that, I probably would just check some of these. I mean, I can see I haven't put an edge loop along here. If I press 3 on the keyboard and we go to insert edge loop, if I go there, I know that's going to tighten that up. Yeah, so just go around and tighten things up like here. This all needs to be a lot tighter. You don't want it to be really well, that's the effect you want to go for, but you don't want it to be really sort of beveled like that. It's just too much. So sometimes you might have to move some of the points, but it looks like all of these I haven't put this edge loop around here. That's good. So I press 3 now, and that's a lot tighter as well. So go around your model, and using the techniques that I've shown you, just go around and check they're all nice and tight. That's better now. I think the E is a little bit all over the place. So once again, I think I need to put an edge loop in along here, which I do. That's good. Let's tighten that up. Great. Okay, so that is basically our logo done. So what we're going to do now is we've just got to color it and set up a few little renders.